Hello, all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to talk about an interesting topic that you can implement and earn good amount in stock market. Okay, that is nothing but the market mood index. So this is strategy, guys. This is one of the strategy you can say in stock market. Okay, a safe side strategy I can say, but you need to have a lot of patience to implement this strategy. So let's get into this market mood index. So what is this market mood index and where can we see this market mood index in Indian markets, Indian stock markets? I'm going to show you. So let me switch to one browser window where I'm going to show you this market mood index. So guys, as you can see, I have opened one browser, that is Chrome browser, and I just need to search for market space mood space index in my browser. Just these three terms. Then I'll get this application ticker tape. Okay. Yeah, and I need to click on this link. Just click on this link and you will get this market mode index. It's just like a speedometer, how much speed you are traveling on a bike or car. Every car and bike or any automobile will have this kind of speedometer kind of thing, right? But mostly in terms of numbers, 0 to 120, 180, like that. But in this case, this speedometer is all about market, okay, that you're going to invest. So in market, you have a lot of stocks. Okay, in shares, you can buy a lot of shares of okay any stocks and all those stuff, right? So what is this kind of market mood index, which looks like a speedometer? It's a speedometer for the market, guys. Okay, so what happens generally is sometimes the market will be high and sometimes market will go down, right? So in some times, like for example, during recession or inflation is very high, or there are some wars happening. Okay. So whatever the situation may be, that situations are going to impact the markets in directly or indirectly, and because of which the markets will go down. So when the markets go down, what happens in the stock market is the people start selling their stocks. Whether the stocks are in a, that particular stocks are very good stocks, but still people will, they are in fear, and because of which they keep selling the stocks. Okay. Since people are in fear, they keep selling the stocks, whatever the stocks they are holding or shares they are holding in the market, they keep selling. And this speedometer about market, that is market mood index, you see, it's currently now as per this 8th November 2023 at the fear level. Okay. So earlier, like last week or last 10 days back, this speedometer was pointing out to the extreme fear level where people were selling like anything. Okay. Market was kind of low. Now, slowly the market rally has started and it went to the fear. It's not still greed, but still people are in fear. They are in kind of, some people are buying some stocks, some people, most of the people are selling their stocks, something kind of situation. So, how can we get an advantage with this speedometer or market mood index? Is what I generally do is, okay, personally, this is not a any advice or something. If you also feel the same thing that I am feeling, then only you follow this strategy. Otherwise, I don't recommend to you. So I felt like this is the safest one. You can also comment in this video, in the below the video, you can comment out like whatever your thoughts about this strategy. You can comment it out. So fine. So earlier, like last 10 days back, right, this pointer was pointing to the extreme fear where I felt like many people are selling their stocks or shares. Okay. So either you are following you are following a particular stock which is a very good company stock, okay, whose value has been reduced because many people are selling their stocks. Okay. So such kind of drops in that good company, good quality stocks you identify and buy them when people are selling. Okay, those are the dips you have to catch the stocks. Whatever you are, purchasing from the stock market in terms of stocks, individual stocks you are buying, or maybe you may be buying something like Nifty Bs, which actually is indicating the index and all. Okay, I generally go with very safe option every time. I generally go with Nifty Bs, which tracks the Sensex or index. Okay, Nifty index it will track. Okay, if the Nifty index stock markets goes down, that Nifty Bs will go down. Okay. Nifty Bs also looks like a stock only, but it's not an individual stock. It's a collection of stocks. It represents or replicates a market. Okay. So at what level market is. That is a very good thing, I feel. So what I did is like when this particular pointer was pointing to this extreme fear level, okay, in this level, I started accumulating, not in a bulk, guys. I started accumulating. For example, I have 1 lakh rupees of amount for me to invest in that market. And when a market is in extreme fear, when people are selling their stocks or shares, whatever they are holding, that is the right time for me to enter into the market because I will get these stocks at good level, very, very attractive prices. Okay, very discounted level I will get. Market is at a discount level at that time. So I keep investing in those good value, good company stocks or I generally by default blindly I'll go for the Nifty Bs. Okay, if you ask me practically, okay. I generally go for Nifty Bs because at some point of time Nifty Bs has to come up. When the market rises, automatically Nifty Bs also rises. So I generally recommend Nifty Bs, but it's not a advice again. Okay, it's up to you what you want to invest and all. Okay, so good value companies or Nifty Bs, such kind of things you can invest when people are selling their stocks at this extreme fear level. Okay, and you start accumulating, but don't invest in bulk again. Okay, what happens is you don't know what is the depth at which this market is going down. Okay, there may be some kind of news that may be coming in different situations where market is down today and it's in extreme fear, but that's not the end of the downfall. Maybe the news is next day the news came very bad way, in such a way that it went even down, even down, even down. We don't know what is a down, what is the depth of the that low. We don't know. So what we do is, if you have 1 lakh in kind of thing for you to invest, what I do is like I just go with some 5,000 invest. Today I'll invest 5,000. Tomorrow I'll see the market and see still it is in extreme fear. Again 5,000 I'll invest. Okay. Day after tomorrow, if the whether the market goes down or it is in extreme fear, I keep on investing 5,000 in a SIP model until my 1 lakh is finished. Okay. So some situations may come where market may rebound back before I invest my 1 lakh also. But to be on safe side or don't want to dump the money in a single go, rather I will just split into multiple parts like 5,000 or whatever it is. It's up to you guys how you want to do it. But we don't know the depth at which the fall is happening in the market. So it's better you go in a SIP model. Okay. It's up to you in how many days. Like that means 1 lakh means how much, guys? 25 the 1 lakh, right? So 20 days the market should be in the extreme fear for my 1 lakh to be 1 lakh of amount to be invested into the market, right? So because I don't know the depth of the market, I am following the strategy to be on safe side. Okay. Now so what happened is markets went to the fear mode and it has increased, but now I am not investing. It's up to you whether you still want to invest in fear mode also. But when the market reaches greed or extreme greed, right? That's the time when people are buying like anything, you can sell it. Okay. Whatever the stocks or individual stocks or this Nifty Bs or whatever you purchased in this extreme fear or fear level, you can sell it at greed or extreme greed level. Okay, it's up to you how you want to sell it. You will be selling in the profits, right? So this requires a lot of patience because you'll not get bad news in the market always. Okay, we don't expect generally for the market to have bad news, but there may be some situations that may happen where market will fall like anything and you have to capture that. Okay, you have to capture that, invest when markets go down. I generally prefer investing this one, Nifty Bs, because this is not an individual stock. Okay, Nifty Bs is not an individual stock. I don't have to think much. When the market rises, this Nifty Bs will rise. When the market goes down, Nifty Bs also will go down. So this is a kind of indicator for me, right? Instead of breaking my head in individual stocks and doing their valuations and all, the simple process I follow. So let's say in this example, I purchased at 210. Okay, now it is at 214. When the extreme fear was there, I averaged it out in a SIP basis. Every day 5,000 I invested at this extreme fear level. Now it came into the fear level. Now I can reduce the amount to 3,000, 2,000, but I'm not doing still because I'm very safer side kind of person. So I'm not doing that. Even though it is in fear, I'm not investing a bit of money of mine. I just did the investment only in extreme fear level. Now I'm waiting for this indicator to go to the greed level, or so I'm just thinking of 5%. Okay, 5% up of whatever I purchase. Okay, whatever the investment I made up, if it is up by 5%, whether greed or 5% up, I'm going to sell that. It's up to you whether when you want to sell it, it's in your hands. When you get the profits, you sell it. Okay. So this is one strategy that you can use with this simple tool every day morning. Okay, just open this browser and search for market mood index and ticker tape and go to this speedometer and If it is in extreme fear, invest your money, okay, in a SIP basis instead of lump sum, okay. So when the markets go to the greed level or extreme greed level, you just sell off those things, okay. The best thing to in this speedometer thing is if you purchase Nifty piece, you don't have to break your head, guys, okay. It's not a individual stock, right? It is a combination of shares which replicate the market, so no need to worry about this stock, that stock, whether sometimes market will go up but that particular stock may not go up, okay. So it's up to you how you want to calculate all this stuff. But this is how we can use market mood index and Nifty piece for our advantage. Okay, to earn some amount where to purchase the stocks when the market is down and to sell them when the market is up. And definitely with patience, you are going to get profits. And one more important thing about this market mood index is just observe this, guys. Whatever this is happening when the market generally most of the time this will happen when in extreme fear the gold price will rise, okay. In extreme greed the gold price will go down, okay. Maybe if you are holding some money and if you want to buy some gold, okay, gold, then maybe you may have to wait until markets goes to extreme greed, and in that extreme greed period in a SIP model you invest in gold, guys. For that we also have gold bees, right? So you can invest in these gold bees, okay. When the market is extreme greed, people will withdraw their money from the gold and invest in the markets, right? Because market is moving up. So in that case you just go with the gold bees and purchase the gold bees at the extreme greed level and sell them again when the market comes to extreme fear, okay. This is an opposite way of doing the stuff. When extreme fear you buy the stocks, when extreme greed you buy the gold, okay. When extreme greed you sell the stocks, when extreme fear you buy the gold, okay, like that, guys. So hope you will be able to understand this. I'm not recommending any stocks in this session, okay. A strict disclaimer, guys. This is just my view. If you like this view and if you feel that you want to try this out with less amount, and when you feel confident, you can move to the next level. And it's purely up to you whether what you want to do and all those stuff, okay. Small advice I gave you in this session regarding the market mood index, which is one of the strategy I follow just to invest in the stock market in the safest way as and to get profits possibly. Okay, fine, guys. So hope you like this video. So it's all about this market mood index. So thank you for watching this video. See you in any other video I'm going to create in my channel. Till then, bye bye.